Talking about the Working for Ecosystems project this morning. It's a project run by eThekwini Municipality and initiated within the municipality in 2006. We're currently rolling the project out to the Roosefontein Nature Reserve, which is where we're sitting at the moment. You can see the valley in the background. And the project is really around engaging communities with their natural resources, and what it is that we're trying to achieve is primarily alien plant control. We engage with the community, bring them in, they get trained in what plants to clear. Roosefontein Nature Reserve is obviously quite an important reserve for the municipality, being that it's situated in such an urban environment. Working for Ecosystems started in 2006. The idea is to keep going to different communities, providing employment, uplifting people, providing green jobs, which are so essential at this current day and age.